generator. Draw two rectangular boxes in two-dimensional view. Separate the two rectangular boxes with a space in between them. Name the left-hand side of the rectangular box as N, which represents the north pole of the magnet, and name the right side of the rectangular box as S, which represents the south pole of the magnet. In between the rectangular boxes, draw a parallelogram which is equal in breadth to that of the rectangular boxes and keep the front face slightly open. Bend both the open ends slightly outwards and extend them to form two parallel lines. Label the four corners of the parallelogram as A, B, C, D. AB represents the left-hand side of the parallelogram, where A comes towards the front face of the bar magnet N. Similarly, CD represents the right-hand side of the parallelogram, where D comes towards the front face of the bar magnet S. Label the parallelogram as coil. Inside the parallelogram ABCD, draw 5 horizontal arrows pointing rightwards and parallel to each other. Label these arrows as magnetic flux. Draw 2 circles and connect them to form a horizontal cylinder and shade it. Similarly, draw one more cylinder with same size a little away from the first cylinder. Label the cylinders as slip rings. At the right side of each cylinder, draw a rectangular block. Shade both the rectangles. Label the rectangular blocks as carbon brushes. From the right side of each rectangular block, draw a spring. From the right end of each spring, draw a horizontal line. The horizontal line represents the alternating EMF. Draw an arrow rightwards on the first horizontal line of alternating EMF, which is below the south pole. Similarly, draw an arrow leftwards on the second horizontal line. Draw a dotted line starting a little beyond the dotted line, passing through the parallelogram and slip rings. Extend the line after the slip rings. Label the dotted line as axle. Draw a circular rightward arrow at the starting of the dotted line, which represents coil rotation in clockwise direction. This completes the drawing of AC generator diagram.